My friends, it is a black day for Dreadzone fans across the galaxy. Ace Hardlight, champion exterminator and respected philanthropist, was brutally cut down by the maniac contestant known as Ratchet, aka the Butcher of Bogon.
Fans reacted to Ace's defeat with shock and outrage.
Boo! We hate you, Ratchet. You cheated.
Ratchet is a malicious criminal. He must be punished.
Bowing to public pressure, Gleam and Vox acted quickly to address the issue.
Fans of Dreadzone, I share your pain for the loss of the mighty Ace Hardlight. I encourage you all to express your grief and sympathy by purchasing this limited edition Ace Hardlight Memorial Action Figure on sale now for only 299 volts.
A Vox News investigation later revealed that Ratchet used banned performance-enhancing drugs.
In accordance with Dreadzone Regulation C6-5/9, Paragraph 2, Ratchet has been sentenced to meet his fate on the Gauntlet of Doom! This special event will be broadcast live tomorrow night only on Dreadzone!
Ratchet, there are new challenges available in the Battle Dome. When you are ready, the Battle Dome shuttle can take you there.
Hero, how was your battle today?
Down to the end, folks. Let's see how he handles the danger round. What I want to know is how Ratchet uses the bathroom in that suit. Team Darkstar is in rare form tonight.
isn't technology great, folks? We can teleport ammunition out of Ratchet's gun before he even fires! He'll be losing ammo faster than a mutant muck beast can devour your spleen! Oh, and that hurts. Darkstar simply won't give up! Have you ever seen the Diablo in the pale moonlight? I have, and it's fantastic!
Looks like that was the last of them. I must say, I'm impressed.
Well, I never thought I'd see the day!
Psych! He's not even close to done. I'm just going with his mind.